What animals can sing? Most people would have answered that birds could sing, and this is true. You could hear birds singing every morning if you live near them in a quiet enough neighborhood. However, birds are not the only critter that can sing. Other animals like fish and mice can sing as well. So before getting into this list, what is considered singing in animals anyway? What separates a song from other sounds? According to LiveScience, there is no definitive answer to this, but to put it simply, a song is a sequence of repeated tones that make a melody. Welcome to Give a Fact, and you're watching Top Animals That Can Sing. If you like this kind of video, be sure to subscribe for more great content, or tell us what you want to learn more about in the comment section below. Now let's get straight to the video, shall we? 1. Toadfish. Birds and frogs aren't the only critters that sing for love. The toadfish grunts and boops when they have found their loved ones too. If you happen to go diving under the waves on Panama's Caribbean coast just after dark, their love song would probably be the only clue that they are near you. These smooth-skinned bottom dwellers aren't the freely swimming types of fish. They spend most time hiding under rocks. Their love song is different from that of birds and frogs as well. These songs are only composed of 2 notes, which scientists call boops and grunts. By vibrating their swim bladder, they make various songs. For example, 1 grunt and 3 boops, or 2 grunts and 2 boops. Erica Starterman, a bioacquisition at the US Bureau of Ocean Energy Management, who luckily got to discover this behavior of toadfish by accident, described that the little grunts sounded like they were clearing their throats before singing. What's more interesting is that the toadfish's neighbors would sometimes interrupt their singing and jam up their rivals. The toadfish will grunt in the middle of their neighbor's song. Starterman also observed that males with more unique song patterns were less likely to suffer from their neighbors. With acoustic communication now added to the discovery list, toadfish has helped us understand a lot of things, like insights about insulin production and inner ear physiology. 2. Alston's singing mice. The cloud forests of Central America are home to Alston's singing mice, who can compose songs with their 100 notes. That said, their vocal range is not the only talent they are known for. They can even duet, mimicking the pace and back-and-forth nature of human conversation. A study published in the Journal of Science in 2019 revealed that the part that was responsible for these mice's turn-taking performances was the neural circuit in these mammalian brains. Each rodent's chirpy song can last up to 16 seconds, and they are so unique that you could use them to differentiate one mouse from another. When they are alone, these melodies are just happy songs, but when they are with others, these songs could turn into some of the most thunderous performances ever. For example, you would hear these songs when the male Alston singing mice battle over territory with each other, or during courtship with the female Alston singing mice. And unlike the marine critter toadfish, Alston singing mice seem to be more polite, as they avoid interrupting each other's songs, even when they could only hear but not see each other. As the vocal coordination centers of Alston singing mice are similar to the orofacial motor cortex present in human brains, this opens a new door for potential treatments for humans with communication disorders, like autism or traumatic events, like stroke. However, that dream is far away, as our understanding of how the human brain generates verbal replies are still limited. 3. Free-tailed bat. Free-tailed bats can fly as high as 10,000 feet and feed on harmful pest insects every night, saving farmers millions of dollars a year. Besides its impressive speed, which can be up to 99 miles per hour, Brazilian free-tailed bats, or mastiff bats, are also known for their acoustic communication through chirping, clicking, and even screeching songs. However, only male free-tailed bats sing, and they use this to attract mates. They even try their best to change the melody each time, so that listeners won't be bored with it. Specifically, these songs are considered complex and hierarchically structured, with specific syllables combined to form phrases. 4. Crested gibbons. Crested gibbons are small apes that reside in the dense rainforests of Cambodia, China, Laos, and Vietnam. There are 7 species of them, and they all communicate by singing for basic tasks, from defining their territory to finding a mate. The males and females serenade during courtship to strengthen their bond. After analyzing the acoustic stricature of 92 gibbon duets from different crested gibbon habitats in Cambodia, China, Laos, and Vietnam, scientists found that not all singing is the same across 6 of 7 gibbon species. The songs composed by the 2 northern species happen to be significantly different from those of the 4 southern species. Even these 4 southern species were all subtly different from each other. This is similar to how human dialects from different regions differ from each other. 5. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are one of the marine animals that can create the most complex acoustic displays in the animal kingdom. Because of that, analyzing these songs is hard and takes a long time for scientists. Scientists know that it has some kind of role in mating, but this has yet to be fully understood. The humpback whale singing was first discovered by a US Navy engineer, Frank Watlington, in the 1950s when he was working in Bermuda at a top-secret listening station during the Cold War. While his priority mission was to detect Russian submarines, he began hearing unusual and eerie sounds coming from the ocean during certain times of the year. After figuring out that it was from the humpback whales, he decided to keep this a secret, as he didn't want whalers to use the sound to find and hunt whales for commercial purposes. Eventually, in 1967, Dr. Roger Payne and his colleagues met Frank Watlington to study the intricate vocalizations of these amazing creatures. This was when they defined these sounds as songs and produced an album of whale songs, which were an unexpected hit and was inducted into the National Recording Registry as one of these significant recordings that are culturally, historically, or aesthetically important and/or inform or reflect life in the United States. Since this discovery, the team traveled around the world to record the humpback whale songs and found that these intelligent creatures sing different versions of the same song as the season changes. These songs also differ among the humpback whale populations. 6. Katydids. Katydids are large insects that can be found in tropical and temperate regions around the globe. Apart from their amazing camouflage power, which helps them a lot in hunting, as well as escaping from predators, they are known for their songs as well. To attract their loved ones, the male katydids sing and move the front wings constantly. Did you know that katydids' ears are slot-like open spaces on their knees? 7. Crickets. Crickets are singers and are well known around the world thanks to their loud singing. By rubbing their wrinkly wings together, the male field crickets can amplify the sound as they chirp or sing. Like other animals that sing, crickets use their melody to attract mates as well. The male sings to call the female to travel to him, and once she is close, he will sing a softer love song. If another male poses a threat to their love, the first male will sing a rivalry song to ward him away. Tree crickets have another unique way to woo mates. Once they have found their mates, they would crawl up tall grasses and trees and lift their paddle-shaped front wings to sing. This will also allow the female to feed on the gland on the male's back, which is now revealed by the upturned wings. Did you know that temperature affects the speed of the cricket's songs? Just count the number of chirps in 15 seconds, add 37, and you can estimate the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. And that is a wrap. What did you learn from this video? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope that our educational videos will help spread the knowledge so everyone can protect our world and biodiversity together. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want us to make more videos. Until next time, give a fact.